Hey guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to use computer key button for recording feature in Virtual DJ. If you would like to record either a video content or audio content by pressing one key that has been selected by your own choice, of course you can now. So firstly, let's see how it is functional. Simultaneously, we will go for custom setup key according to our choice. By pressing, of course, we can record anything quickly. So firstly, let's
धीरे धीरे पास आ रही है धीरे धीरे पास आ रही है धीरे धीरे पास आ रही है
जैसे जैसे शाम ढल रही है जैसे जैसे शाम ढल रही है
रातों में जगाया.
So see guys, of course we can see the final product. I did not click mouse anywhere and it has been recorded, and final production output I have selected on here. So now see, of course we can play it. So no need to click on your record feature button. Of course by pressing key, and quickly you will save a time also. And the recording, of course, while you're recording, it's very important to press start or stop on time, on especially point of time, exactly time that you need. Now see guys, I would like to show you how it is. So it's MP3
धीरे पास आ रही है धीरे धीरे पास आ रही है
जैसे जैसे शाम.
So it's a quietly song, good, recorded. Now see. So just I will come once again here. Now see, I have selected in the record option MP3. If I would have recorded MP4 format, then of course it would be recording in MP4, but here see MP3 recorded. So if you would like to record a video content, then just go for MP4, otherwise MP3 will be quite good. And it's your file name actually where you would like to save it. So I have selected on desktop. Now see guys here, so by clicking here you will select wherever you would like to save your final record product. Now see guys here how you will go for custom setup. Just you need to come in action, and here you need to write RECORD. So it's a record. Now feature in action, just here you need to copy, and then you have to type any specific key that you feel comfort to press. So now I have selected R here, and just I will cut from here, and just I will paste it, and then I will go for save it. So now see guys here, for your confirmation I will type anything here, and once again I will type R. So it will give you in action space record option, then it means it has been selected now. So of course now any times we can now see, if I press R it will start to record. If I show on off everything, I can do it by using a specific key button of your laptop or computer. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. If it is informative and knowledgeable, then please don't forget like, subscribe and share often this content, because of might be helpful for someone who is having to be a virtual DJ or to have the effective DJ in especially virtual DJ. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.